Imagine yourself in this cheap 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black clear coat, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 948TE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 VSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 948TE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.